Hi guys, mko aje? Mko poa? So here, my name is Clara. I want to give you a house tour. Sawa. I want to give you a house tour of a 3-bedroom Airbnb. Sawa. So hapa hivi, I'm at the door. Ukiingia kwa mlango, here is the door. So let me flip the camera so that you can see very well. Okay, so guys, this is our living area. You can see here are the chairs. Here are the chairs. Yep, here is another chair. Yep, so that's a very big window. You can see it is a slide window, so you can see it very well. We have very good curtains. Ukitaka curtains. Yep, you see. Then we have this flower pot here. We have another one, a small one, and a small one. Then we have our TV there. You come, we have another flower pot here. So when you come this way, here is our dining area. Here is our dining table. You can see it is very clean. We also have a balcony this side. So hapa kwa balcony we have this sliding window. Again you can see, yeah, the view is giving. This is where you can come and relax. You see it? Leo kulikuwa na kapati hapa chini. Nasikia tu naona choma tunyama huko. There is a very big, I don't know if it's a party or if it's a hotel, but people are enjoying themselves. People are enjoying themselves due to tujirushe huko. Okay, so let's come inside. Let's go back inside. So guys, I was closing the door. Then we come to the kitchen. It's an open kitchen. Yeah, you can see here is our dispenser. Here is our fridge. That's a microwave. That's the cooker. That's where we do our washing. You can see. Then here we just put things like, yeah, this one is a top table here. Okay, outside here is where we do our laundry. Yeah, this is where we do our laundry and store our brooms and also our dustbin. So to make this video short, let's go to the bedrooms. So guys, as you go to the bedroom, ukitoka tu hapa hivi, hapa kwa hii corridor ya sitting na dining, we come this way. So here is our storage place. We store our things here. Then we have a common toilet here. It's very clean, guys. Very, very clean. You see? Very, very clean. Very, very clean. A sink here and a dustbin there. There's and a wiping hand towel there. So after that, can we start here? So this one is our master bedroom. We have a very large window. You can see it's very large. We have a mirror here. You want to see me? There's me. Very cute, very demure. Okay, so this is the bed of our master bedroom. It's a 6x6 bed. You can see it. We have a mat here, a mat there, a mat at the toilet, a mat at the bathroom, and the bathroom is so clean. The towel is here. Everything is sorted. The toilet is so clean. The sink is so clean. Another mirror. This girl is so demure. So let's go to the other bedroom. And this one is the storage area. So you can store your clothes there. Pale kwa wardrobes. Dirty clothes there. So okay. So we have this mini bedroom. We have 2 beds. You can see them, very clean, well arranged. Carpet. Then we go to the toilet. Carpet clean. Toilet is clean. Slippers, everything. Another mirror. Demure. Okay, so let's go to the last bedroom. It also has storage. Okay, good girl. So let's go to the other bedroom. Here we go. Oh, the client has just went for a walk and is coming back. So this is how the other bedroom looks like, and we have a very big window. Okay guys. Okay, the toilet is clean. Slippers, carpet, everything is clean. Everything is clean. Okay guys, so that was our 3-bedroom Airbnb tour in Nakuru. If you need to book, please DM me. Okay, bye. And if you need a housekeeper, you see how I clean? The house is so clean. Simona. So, ndio nimemaliza tu clean. I've finished housekeeping. So here's the dirt I'm going to throw. Okay, so guys, bye to the next video. That. So I had just flipped the camera, guys. I'm here looking the mirror. So I've just finished cleaning. You can see the dirt is here. The dirt is here. I'm going to throw the dirt. So guys, next time stay tuned. I'll show you how we clean, the process, how we make the beds to look the way they're looking, the mirror, how to clean this place to make it look. So sumeona kazi yangu, it's so clean. So if you need a Airbnb housekeeper, I'm here guys. Nipeni job. Sawa. I love you guys and up to the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment and to like. Okay, bye guys.